we have to find the value of x if log x to the base 2 equal to 3. So this is very simple question. Here this is given in the logarithm form. We will express it in the exponential form. Example, if log m to the base a equal to x, then we write a power x equal to m. So this is logarithm form and this is what? Exponential form. So as this question is in the logarithm form, using this identity we can find the value of x. So log x to the base 2 will give x equal to 2 cube. So x equal to, so we have to find the value of x if log 16 to the base x equal to 2. So this is given in this question. This is in the logarithm form. Log 16 to the base 6, log 16 to the base x equal to 2. It is in the logarithm form. So when it is in the logarithm form, say log m to the base a equal to x, we write a power x equal to m. Then here I'll write log x square equal to 16. Then x equal to plus minus root over 16. X equal to plus minus 4 square. So x equal to plus minus 4. So now we got the values of x as 4 and minus 4. But as we know, by definition of logarithm, this x base cannot be negative. Here x is base and base is never negative. So we will omit, we will neglect this minus value. But x equal to minus 4 is not possible. And therefore x equal to 4. Hence the value of x is what? It is plus 4. Here we have to find the value of x if log x to the base 3 is minus 3. Log x to the base 3 is minus 3. This is in the logarithm form. So if it is in the logarithm form, we write it in exponential form. We know that log m to the base a equal to x imply a power x equal to m. Therefore, here 3 power minus 3 equal to x, then x equal to 1 upon 3 cube. So x equal to 1 by 27. Hence, the value of x is 1 by 27. Here we have to find the value of x if log root 5 to the base 0.008 equal to x. Log root 5 0.008 equal to x. This is irrational number and this is decimal number, or we can say real number. So if it is square root, then we will write it in this form, because whenever it is, if the log is of the form root a, write a power half. So root 5 power half, and the base 0.008. And if log has power, then we use this formula, log m power n to the base a. This equals to n log m to the base a. So when log has power, write the power before log. So here I'll write half log 5 0.008. Now, so here the base is in decimal form. So if it is in decimal form, always we change the base. We will write, or we will use the formula log a to the base b equal to log b to the base a. So half 1 upon log Now, so if the log is in decimal form, so we will express it in fraction, or in fraction we will express. To to express 0.00008 in fraction, what we will do? We will write 8 by 1000, and 8 1 is 8, add 125. So we can write here this equal to 1 upon 125. This gives 1 by log 5 and 5 power minus 3. Why it is 5 power minus 3? Look here. It is 1 by 125. 125 means 5 cube. And this 1 by 5 cube can be written as 5 power minus 3. Why? Because there is one more formula. If it is a power minus n, we write 1 by a power n. And if it is 1 by a power n, we write a power minus n. So as it is 1 by 125 can be written as 5 power minus 3. So now, and this half is here, this equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 log 5 to the base 5. So this will become minus 6, and log 5 to the 5 is 1, that is 1 by minus 6. We know log a to the base a is always 1. So here log 5 to the base 5 is 1. So it is, the answer is minus 6. In this question, we have to find the value of x. Given log 1728 2 root 3 is equal to x. So x equal to log 2 root 3. Now always this log and base we try to make equal. So let's see whether we can make this 1728 as a power of 2 root 3. Let's check. 1728. 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 10, 2 8, 2 5, 2 4, 2 27, 3 9 and 3 3. Yes, this can be written as here 2 total number of 2's 1 2 3 4 5 6 and total number of 3 is 3. So we can write this is 2 root 3 whole power 6, because let's check what it gives. If it is 2 root 3 power 6, 2 root 3 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6 into root 3 power 6. This is 2 power 6 into 3 power half into 6. This is root 3. So if it is root a, we write a power half. It is root 3, so we will write 3 power half. So 2 3 is 6. 2 power 6 into 3 cube. So here you can see it is 2 power 6 and 3 cube. So 2 power 6 and 3 cube can be written as 2 root 3 whole power 6. So now, as this is power, and power is written before log. So how it written? Because we know log m power n to the base a is always n log m to the base a. Now this can be written as 6 into 1, which is equal to 6, our answer. We have to find the value of x. If log 0.01 to the base 10 equal to x, then x equal to, this is in the decimal form. So when it is in decimal form, we write it in the p by q form, rational form. So 0.01 means 1 by 100, and log this equal to log 10 1 by 10 square, because 10 square is 100. Log this is 10, and here we can write 10 power minus 2, because 1 upon a power n is a power minus n. Now this equal to minus 2 log 10 to the base 10, this equal to minus 2 into 1, because log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. So this equal to minus 2. So our answer is minus 2. We have to find the sum of log root 6 to the base 2 and log root 2 by 3 to the base 2. So let's write root 6 to the base 2 plus log 2 root 2 by 3. We know that log mn to the base a is log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. So here log m to the base a plus log n to the base a, it will be log mn to the base a, which is equal to log. Now we know that root a into root b is root over ab. Then log root 6 into root over 2 by 3 will be 6 into 2 by 3. 3 2 is 6, and this equal to log 2 and here root over 2 square, which is equal to log 2 to the base 2 will be equal to 1. So our answer is 1. In this question, if log 3 to the base 2 is p, then we need to find the values of log 27 to the base 8 and log 81 to the base 16. Log 3 to the base 2 equal to p is given. Now log 27 to the base 8. What to do? Now we have to convert these. We have to write this in the form log 3 to the base 2. So to write this, what we will do? First of all, we will express this in the form of log m power n to the base a. That means, yes, 27 can be written as 3 cube and here it is 8. So now this will become log 3 to the base 8, because log m to the power n to the base a is n log m to the base a. So this is power, and power is written, or power comes before log. Now if the base is 8 or 16, or we can say if the base can be expressed as a power of some number. As a power of some number means 2 cube, 2 cube, then 3 cube, etc. Means if it can be expressed as a power of some number, then always we use this formula, log a to the base b, which is equal to 1 by log b to the base a. Means, so if the power is expressible, if the base is expressible as a power of some number, we always change the base. We change the base. We will change this base. So how to change? You can see here 1 upon log a to the base 3. See, if it is a to the base b, we write b to the base a. As here it is 3 to the base 8, we have written 8 to the base 3. So this equal to 3 into, now this 8 can be written as 2 cube to the base 3. Further we can write 3 into 1 by 3 log 2 to the base 3. 3 cancel. Now comes log 2 to the base 3 to the base 2. Because it is log 2 to the base 3, then if it is 1 by log b to the base a, we can write log a to the base b. Here it is log 2 to the base 3, so I have written log 3 to the base 2. And log 3 to the base 2 value is p. So here our answer is p. Next, again, we have to find the value of log 81 to the base 16. Same process we will do. 81, it can be expressed as 3 power 4. 81 can be written as 3 power 4 to the base 16. This gives 4 log 3 to the base 16. Now we will change the base. Why we will change the base? Because 16 can be written as power of some number, say 2 power 4, that is why. So now 16 to the base 3, this equal to 4 into 1 by log 2 to the power 4 to the base 3. 4 into 1 by 4 log 2 to the base 3, which is equal to this 4 and this 4 cancel, log 3 to the base 2, which is equal to p. This is our answer.